up, everybody? It's Friday again, and we're doing another segment here. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, or if you've seen this on Facebook, make sure you like it, make sure you subscribe, leave any comments that you have. We're always interested to hear what you're saying, or if you have any questions about it. And I just wanted to get in with a little tip for the end of the year this year, something that we always talk about, and that is to have your end of year maintenance that you do. And we go through a couple things. You're going to have some days off between Christmas and the New Year, so you might as well take this time to finish up this year, 2019, and get ready for 2020. Thing that we talk about is make sure you do your backups. Get an end of year backup. Get some new hard drives that are specifically for the end of year backup, and back up all your systems, and then just bring them home and put them in a box somewhere. And in the case of an emergency, a disaster, then at least you have that end of year backup. The other thing that people don't think about is that sometimes you need to go back 6 months, or maybe like, hey, I noticed something isn't here, and you want to go back a whole year. So it's really good to have those backups from that year. And you can keep them for a couple of years and then recycle those discs back into the set. Another thing that we talk about is take this time to update all your systems. Make sure your Windows PCs are all up to date. Make sure your Macs are all up to date. Catalina is out now, and it's going to break a few things when you update. So on your holiday, you can fix all the broken stuff that Catalina causes, and that will take up some time. Another thing you want to do, here's a good tip to save money, is that we're all paying services these days, and the way that the services get you is that you end up paying for stuff that you haven't used at all. So this is a great time to go get your American Express bill, go get the bill that your card that is paying all the bills, and go look through all the services and log on to each one and see if you can reduce the number of subscriptions that you have, maybe lower the subscription, remove users from the subscriptions, archive off old users, and try to get down some of those monthly costs. This is a good way for you to save $50, $100, even a couple $100 a month, and just by deleting some of the subscriptions. So it's a really good time to look at that at the end of the year. And one last one that I like to talk about, which is like, hey, you're looking for that new computer, right? You see the new MacBook, 16-inch MacBook Pro, and you think it looks pretty nice, and maybe you would say, well, maybe your employees want your MacBook Pro, so take the tax savings now as a business expense, and go buy that new laptop or that server that you need now before the end of the year, and get the tax credit on it this year. So those are just a couple things to think about. While you're drinking your eggnog, you can save a little bit of money and get ready for 2020. So I hope you like the content here. I hope you like this tip. If you like this, make sure that you like the buttons wherever they are, and subscribe. And we'll see you next Friday. Thank you.